Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to make some wood and resin rose coasters for Valentine's Day. I came across these wood roses. I thought they were cute, so I'm going to turn them into coasters because they are a perfect size. And I was debating what color to paint them, and I'm going to do one of them green and one of them black. You could do red, you could do different colors because of the leaves and stuff like that. I really just wanted to stay with one color, and I'm doing metallic. Both the black and the green are going to be metallic, and you can actually keep it natural. That would be pretty too, but we're going to fill it with resin. The paint has dried, so now I'm going to add my packing tape onto the back of both roses. And we're doing that so that when we do put the resin in there, it's not going to leak out. Once I have the tape on there, I'm going to take my stir stick, burnish it down so I know that it's made good contact with the wood. Mix my resin, and I'm adding red glitter. I'm using the fine glitter. I want to get it all mixed up in there real good. These are taped and ready to go, and now all I need to do is carefully drip the resin into the roses. Once you get the resin in there, you are going to want to pop the bubbles. And remember, these are wood, so you want to go very quickly. You can either do a straw or you can do your lighter, but you can go very, very quickly over. Do not linger in any space too long. And then we want to let them just sit for a minimum of 12 hours, and then we will come back. The resin has cured, and now I can remove the packing tape. And here is the front. If you use like a multi-surface durable kind of paint, you don't have to seal the wood. Otherwise, you might want to put a sealer on it, just like a matte varnish or something like that. And you could do that obviously before you put the resin in as well. So there it is. It's actually a really great size for a mug. And there's the green one. There's the back, there's the front. So here are the rose coasters. Obviously I did them for Valentine's Day, but you could do them for any reason that you want. You can tell me which color you like better. I hope you guys like the coasters, and I hope you give them a try. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys!